In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable Copilot to search and read your local files. This process is simple, yet immensely helpful if you regularly use Copilot on your computer. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To begin, you need to open Windows Copilot. If you're not familiar with it, Copilot is a built-in feature in Windows designed to assist you with a variety of tasks by providing suggestions and help as you use your computer. You can typically find it running in your taskbar, or you might need to search for it using the Windows search bar. Once you've located and opened Copilot, look for your profile or avatar, which should be situated in the bottom left corner of the window. Clicking on it will give you access to several options related to your Copilot settings. After clicking on your profile, you'll want to select the Settings option. The Settings area allows you to customize how Copilot interacts with your system and files, ensuring it works best for your needs and preferences. As you navigate through the Settings menu, be on the lookout for a section titled something like Data Access or File Access. This section is crucial for allowing Copilot to interact with your local files. Once you're in this section, you'll have the option to enable file access. This step is what allows Copilot to search, read, and even summarize the documents stored on your computer. By enabling this feature, you're giving Copilot permission to look through your files, which can be incredibly useful for quickly finding information without having to open each document individually. However, there might be times when you want to restrict access for privacy reasons or simply because you no longer need this feature active. To do this, you can simply toggle the same option off. This disables file access, meaning Copilot will no longer be able to read your local files. This toggling ability provides great flexibility, as you can easily turn the feature on or off depending on your current requirements. Remember, enabling this feature can be beneficial for quickly managing and searching through your files, but it's equally important to disable it when you don't need Copilot accessing your documents. And there you have it, a straightforward process to manage the file access capabilities of Windows Copilot in a few easy steps. Feel free to revisit this video if you need guidance in the future, and don't hesitate to explore other settings within Copilot to enhance your overall experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now feel more empowered to manage how Copilot interacts with your local files.